Hello guys, this is Will Danberg from Gengras, Volvo, East Hartford. Today I wanted to talk to you about the Protection Package Premier. I'm sitting in this beautiful 2021 XC90 Recharge, and some of you may have seen the Protection Package Premier listed on a few of our cars on our website. With the Protection Package Premier, you get rubber floor mats for the front seats, back seats. You also get the cargo tray in the back seat. Let me show you. The full cargo tray. The Protection Package Premier, now there's a difference. There's a Protection Package and a Protection Package Premier. The Premier will give you this metal strip that goes over the back of the bumper. You're going to get a very nice Volvo license plate frame. And you're also going to get locking lug nuts on your car. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions about any other Volvo packages, and we hope you have a great day.